Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and today I have some fantastic fall and Halloween finds and DIYs that you are going to love. So let's get started. For the first project, I was inspired by the vase fillers that I found at Dollarama. I ended up picking up 2 packages of the pumpkins for fall and the bones and the spiders for Halloween. I also picked up a small glass vase, the LED push light, and a black plate. I popped the LED light into the bottom of the vase and then I covered it in these adorable little pumpkins. The idea is that these lights have a remote, so I can put it in here. The little light shines through the glass pumpkins and it's super cute. Then I grab my glue gun and I put it around the top of the vase and I attach the plate. For a more permanent hold, you could use a stronger glue, but I like using hot glue because I can reuse this at a different time, and if I need to replace the LED light, I can. I think these lights are super fun. You can change the color, you can set a timer so it shuts off automatically. You could use this little tray to display Halloween decor, you could use it to serve food, or you could just set an LED candle on the top, which is what I did. I like my fall tray so much that I decided to make another version for Halloween. This time I grabbed a round vase and I put some hot glue on the bottom and attached it to a dollar store candlestick holder. Again, if you want a more permanent hold, you could use a stronger glue. I like hot glue because it's more temporary and I can repurpose these items another time. I filled the vase with some of the vase filler that I got at the dollar store. This time I used the really cute spiders and the little bones. I put some glue around the top of the vase and attached the plate. And that was it for this cute project. There's a little bit of a glare so you can't see all of the bones and the spiders, but trust me, in person it looks fantastic. Let me know in the comments, which do you like better? The one that I made for fall or the one that I made for Halloween? For the next DIY, I grabbed some jars from the dollar store. My idea was to make a candy tray that I could set out for fall and Halloween. So I grabbed some chocolate bars in fall colors and I filled the jars. And I think this is super cute and fun. Next, I decided to make a fun double-sided sign for my tray. I found this one at the dollar store. I covered one side in contact paper and I left the other side as a chalkboard. Next, I grabbed 2 of these pumpkins from the dollar store. I covered the back side in Mod Podge and then I covered it with one layer of a paper napkin that was covered in this beautiful fall print. Once it was dry, I added another layer of Mod Podge, and then to get rid of the excess, I used a sandpaper block. This is a really simple technique and it works really well to give you a clean edge. I used hot glue to attach the pumpkin to the chalkboard side of the sign, and I think it looks really cute on my tray. Next, I made a Halloween version on the other side of this sign. So I grabbed another one of those pumpkins. I traced out the shape of the pumpkin onto a piece of black and white cloth that I had in my scrap pile. I cut it out and used Mod Podge to attach it to the pumpkin. I used sharp scissors to trim off any excess, and then I used hot glue to attach the pumpkin to the sign. I love how versatile this sign is. I can use it for fall and then I can use it for Halloween. Let me know in the comments, did you prefer the fall version or do you like this one? To finish off this video, I wanted to share two of my favorite dollar store finds for fall and Halloween. This one for fall is a turkey bell that I found for only $2. I think it looks super cute on a tiered tray. Here is my tiered tray. I always love to add a touch of whimsy, and I think this is perfect. And for Halloween, I love these large ghosts. They're inexpensive and they give you a lot of bang for your buck. I hope you like the fall and Halloween finds and DIYs I shared today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.